Hey, good morning, good evening, everyone. Today we are going to discuss about data engineer role in Tech Careers 101. Let's get started. Who is a data engineer? Data engineer plays a crucial role in organizing and preparing data so that data can be accessed by the stakeholders to analyze and to make decisions based on the data. The tools used by data engineer or SQL, structured query language, to interact with the databases. Hadoop, Spark are the programming languages from Apache are the frameworks to interact with large sets of data. What happened was after 2010, when the social media started becoming more and more popular, there is a lot of data. Previously, it used to be only structured data that is sitting in the relational databases. Once after the social media revolution, there is a lot of data, unstructured data, such as photos, videos, a lot of text is being available to the organizations. So the data engineer will try to go through this structured, unstructured, and semi-structured data and try to understand and bring some information or analytics out of the data and present it to the business or key stakeholders or senior management so that they can make informed decisions. The deliverables are data pipelines. ETL stands for extract, transform, and load. Data engineer generally work in creating these ETL processes by using data pipelines or data lakes or optimizing the database so that these analytical tools or Power BI kind of a reporting tools can access the data more efficiently. The average salary of the data engineer in the United States is around $70,000 per annum and 6 lakh rupees per annum in India. The senior data engineer designs and implements sophisticated and complex data solutions for scalability and reliability. They also need to have extensive ETL, extract transform load, or ELT, extract load and transform into the data lakes. Now they are calling as the lake houses with structured, unstructured, and semi-structured data, not only on-premises databases and database data servers, but also to the cloud environment. So there are different kinds of data at rest, data in flight. Data in rest means when the data is saved to the database. Data in flight means when the data is transferred from one location to another location. Just give an example. If we are trying to share the data, customer data, with one of our partners in a fintech company, then when we are sending the data from our file system to their networked file system or in some Amazon cloud, the data will be traveling over the wire. So we want to make sure that right secure protocols are being used. As a part of senior data engineer, this person works closely with the lead engineers and other stakeholders. The data is secure and follows and respects the personal identifiable information or any security compliance like PCI, DSS kind of compliance or health compliance related processes. They follow all those kind of things. So the average salary of the senior data engineer is around $120,000 in the United States and 20 lakh rupees in India. The lead data engineer will have a very excellent and extensive knowledge and experience in the data landscape. They not only make sure the data is available whenever it is required. They also govern data governance. They will be part of some data governance initiatives and they will be experts in advanced SQL. Apache Kafka is another framework in the data streaming. You can take Netflix is a good example for data streaming. When you are trying to watch a movie, the movie will be streamed over the internet from one of the servers from Netflix. So they use the some protocols or frameworks such as Apache, Kafka, or data streaming platforms. Their infrastructure, Netflix infrastructure, used to be hosted on AWS. Now they have their own cloud environment. So this person lead data engineer will have a good understanding of the data landscape that is being offered by Azure, AWS, or GCP. The deliverables are enforcing data quality, security standards, and also project management and coordination with his team members or her team members with the project managers and other stakeholders. The average salary around 125K in the United States, and in India around 25 lakh rupees. This lead engineer, data engineer, will have two paths. If they chose to go into the technical realm, they become a data architect. If they want to go as a management path, they become a data manager or data engineering manager. As a data architect, they will be responsible for creating three types of data models. One is physical data model, logical data model, or conceptual data models. In with my experience, I was involved as a data architect creating these artifacts in one of the tools such as you know Visio, or there are some diagrammatical tools where data models can be captured. The Oracle is having one of the tools, uh, SQL is having one of the tools. So these data modeling tools will be used. They will have need to have a good understanding of the data governance frameworks, and also they support other architects, especially application architects or infrastructure architects, to optimize the cost, because storing and processing the data and retrieving the data is a very costly operation. So their salary is generally around $140,000 per year, in India around 35 lakh rupees. The person chose to become a manager in they are generally called as data engineering managers. This is more specific to data engineering. In the same realm, people can branch out from the lead data engineer to BI or business intelligence managers or business intelligence architects. They use the tools such as Power BI, Tabula. They're Any manager will have the similar qualities, but such as the communication, leadership quality, collaboration tools. But as a data engineering manager, you are expected to have a very good and deep understanding of the data platforms and governance models. The average salary around $100,000 in the United States, in India around 20 lakh rupees. Just to wrap it up, the person starts as a data engineer and progresses to senior data engineer. Lead data engineer can fork out, either become an architect in the technical path or become a manager in the management path. The same data engineering space, this is also very evolving, given as we are recording in March 2024, artificial intelligence uses this data platform. If any organization wants to be successful as a AI organization, they need to have this data engineering or data footprint, figure it out with the data quality, so that the AI programs or large language models can work on that. Thanks for tuning in. Looking forward to talk to you in my next video.